everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I am sharing one interesting story with you. So story is the stone cutter. In one village, there is a stone cutter who has shaped the stones and sell that stones and earn money. One day uh, he was put or take one big giant, and he tried to shape that giant, or even he tried to broke that giant, but कहते हैं, he but that giant was very big, and he tried to hit with the hammer, one time, two time, but the stone cutter surrounding people watching before sometimes, and watched before sometimes, and they uh, they laughed at him, and they said, "Oh, giant cutter, this is impossible to break into two pieces this big giant." So but stonecutter was not listen their things, and he continuous hit on the giant with the hammer. He hit one time, two times, twice times, thrice times, and he continuously hitting 99 times, but that giant was not broken. uh, but when he hit 100 times, the giant is broke into two pieces, and all surrounding people were shocked. And Stonecutter was happy. So, what is the moral of the story? Moral of the story is, um, the giant. When we put effort in anything consistently, so it will definitely give us result. In starting, there is possibility it will not reflect that result, but it is under process. When we give enough efforts, so it will definitely result will show one day. So keep trying, keep pushing yourself, and keep continue to power yourself, and continue your journey, because journey is beautiful, no, not a destination. When your journey is beautiful, your destination definitely beautiful, and you when you reach there, at your destination, you definitely happy when if you enjoyed your journey. So keep growing, and listen your videos and interesting stories. Thank you so much. We will meet in next video. If you like my stories, please like and subscribe my channel and support us. Thank you so much. Bye bye.